The 44th annual Reno National Championship Air Races took off from Reno Stead Field September 12th through 16th. Record crowds of up to 215,000 people were expected during the course of the event. Beautiful weather and the love of the flying kept the race going even after some tragic accidents cost 3 pilots their lives. Shaken but not giving up, Air Race fans and participants paid their respects by keeping the event alive. For anyone who attended, whether to watch the races or the aerobatic performance, they were not disappointed. 6 different categories of planes raced throughout the event, each one more thrilling than the last. If that wasn't enough, the Canadian Snowbirds performed along with other aerobatic pilots who dazzled the crowds with their amazing flying displays. The Reno Air Races are the last of their kind. No other show in the country gets fans as close and pilots as low as we do. For anyone captivated by aircraft, displays of skill and speed, or just a child's wish to someday fly with the birds, the Reno Air Races is the place to be.
He's going to pull this thing vertical. He's going to start to smoke and he's going to dance this thing on that left wing. This is a pirouette. What a beautiful day out here for this airplane. The air is actually pretty good for the temperatures today. The EA density altitude is pretty high, so we got
We only moved up to 5th place